Hey everyone, this is Justin from Justin Ray on Instagram and also YouTube. I just want to say a quick hello to all the new subscribers. You've really been enjoying the last couple projects and I love seeing your recreations of them, so thank you all so much. Today I want to share with you two different projects I made out of Dollar Tree materials. The first one using a vase and some Mardi Gras beads, and the second one a picture frame, some popsicle sticks, and spackling. I kind of made like a faux bamboo look. I know I say this for everything, but I absolutely love these projects. I love that if you just change the paint or the stain on them, they really could fit any type of decor. They're super simple, they're really inexpensive. I think they came out so sleek. I'm so excited to share this video with you today. I really hope you enjoy. First, I have to start off by saying I just got this hot glue gun from Surebonder and it's cordless and it makes crafting so easy. First, you want to start off with your vase from the Dollar Tree. I chose this one because I really like the shape of this, and what we're going to do is take these Mardi Gras beads and completely glue them around it. I got these beads at the Dollar Tree. You can get 8 in a pack. I did end up using 9, so if you have some laying around the house, this would be a perfect project for them. Start by placing a bead of hot glue on the glass, and we're going to just start gluing the beads all the way around. The nice thing about this is that there's no rhyme or reason, just completely glue it around, because at the end, if we missed any spots, we're gonna go in and fill them in. As you can see, I really pushed the beads into the hot glue, making sure that they were secure in place. What I really love about this project is this is a great way to reuse these beads, especially if you had them left over from like a party or a kid's birthday party. So now what we're going to do is go back in and fill in all those holes, and just take one of the strands and just cut off a couple beads, and we're just going to fill them in. And I did add a layer at the bottom, just kind of really to finish it off. So once I had it completely covered in beads, I did notice that there were a lot of strings from the hot glue. So what I did is I just took a dish brush and I just brushed them all off. I think this is a great way to really clean up a project that has a lot of hot glue on it. I've also done this with baskets and things like that as well. So now once we have it completely covered in beads, what we're going to do is take our spray paint, and I chose this flat Rust-Oleum in black, and I'm just going to cover the entire thing. Now once it's completely dry, what we're going to do is just tape off the bottom and kind of create like the two-toned look. You really could do whatever you'd like for this. I think this is the part where you could really get creative, and I think it's kind of fun. So I just used this tan crafter's paint from Michaels. I think these are about 79 cents a piece, and you could also use a coupon and get them much cheaper, but I love having a whole bunch of these on hand so I can use them for different projects. This one is a matte finish, so it kind of gives a little bit of texture to it. And what I did is I kind of just dry brushed it over top of the beads so that you still get the black from behind. And then I just took the same paintbrush and I went back in and I cleaned up my lines. What I love about this project is that it's so simple and it only requires a couple different steps, and I think it ends up looking so good. I put a little bit of pampas grass in mine. I think I ordered these on Wish and they were about $1. I just think it looks so cute. For the next project, we're gonna create these wood picture frames. I love this project. You're gonna wanna start with these frames from the Dollar Tree. I did get the ones that have a little bit of a thicker frame. That way you have some space to glue on the popsicle sticks. You get 100 in a pack, and I think I used about 50 per frame. You wanna go ahead and remove the glass so we just have the frame to work with. And then fold the tabs back so that when we're working on it, they don't break off. I used a pair of pliers for this next part of the project, and what I did is I just cut the ends off to make sure that they were flat. Now what we're gonna do is hot glue them to the frame. The hot glue will actually hold these on pretty well. And we're just gonna go through and we're gonna cut off the ends and then glue them back to back. And for the ends, I just used a pencil and marked it off and then cut on the line. Each side of the frame is going to get 3 rows of these popsicle sticks. Some of these popsicle sticks are really curved, so what I did is I just cut them in half and used them for the end pieces. I sped up the rest of this so you could see how it's done, but I went ahead and did the top and the bottom first, and then I went ahead and filled in the sides. I did also want to show you that I completely forgot to charge my hot glue gun, and so I ended up using another one that Surebonder sent me, and this one has a small tip on it, and it's fantastic for projects like this. Now once you have the complete front covered, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add a layer of the popsicle sticks to the sides. As you can see, we have it completely covered. So I know it looks kind of a little messy, but the next step is what's really going to pull it together. I was going to use wood putty for this, but then I remembered that the Dollar Tree sells this light spackling, and it works so well. All we're going to do is take a little bit, and we're just going to fill in all the little cracks. Don't worry about smoothing it out too much. You kind of want to leave like a thicker layer, not completely covering it, but we're going to go back through and we're just going to sand it off. I always like to go back through and really finish off my projects, and I didn't really like this lip on the inside, so what I did is I just filled it with a little bit of the spackling. What I liked about using the spackling is that it's super easy cleanup, so I just took a pencil and I went back through and got all the excess out, and then I just took a paper towel and wiped it off. Now once it's completely covered, we're just going to let it sit for about an hour and dry. Then I'm going to take one of these sanding blocks from the Dollar Tree. I love these things, I use them for every project. And we're just going to lightly sand off the outside of that spackling. So you can sand as little or as much as you want. I kind of liked the way that the spackling looked on the outside of it, but I knew I was going to stain it, so I really sanded off quite a bit. But I think if you left it like this, it'd be perfect for like beach or like coastal decor. I just think it looks really worn. Then I just took a little bit of this Minwax wood finish in Puritan Pine. I'm really liking this color right now because it's really light, and I think it just gives like the perfect little touch. So I did end up putting 2 coats of stain on it, and then I just went in and I covered over that inside part that I spackled. And once you have the second coat on, we're just gonna let this dry and we're done. I ended up adding this black matting from the Dollar Tree. You get 2 in a pack for $1, and I think it just adds the perfect touch. I also got these prints off of Etsy from 88 Prints, and I just think that they're so gorgeous. And as you can see for the smaller one, I just added some lines with a wood burner, and I just think it gave it so much dimension. I love the way these came out. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you just change the paint or the stain on these, I really think that they could fit any different type of decor. They're so inexpensive and I think they look so good. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe, and don't forget you can also follow me on Instagram at Justin Ray. Ray is spelled with a W-R-A-Y. Thank you for watching.